Changing your profile picture on Hotels.com is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hotels.com website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the page. Step 3. Select Profile Settings. In your account settings, look for an option labeled Profile or Account Settings. Click on it to access your profile details. Step 4. Upload a new picture. Find the option to change or upload a profile picture. Click on the Upload button and select the image you want to use from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading your new picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new profile picture. Now your profile picture is updated. Enjoy your enhanced Hotels.com experience.